Nate. This is going to be lesson 2 of the Learn to Speak Navajo video series. She Terry Teller Yunishia. We have my cousin, my brother. We have my brother Travis. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
She Travis Teller Yunishia.
And we have my cousin sister Leanne.
She Leanne Curly Yunishia.
Today we're going to be talking about occupations. So we're going to have we'll have this initial dialogue that'll kind of introduce what we're going to be talking about. Hadish nanilnish.
Kinde nashnish nishan hadish nanilnish.
Eze al-ide nashnish. Nije hadish nalnish.
Oltate nalnish.
Now you just saw on the dialogue sheet this phrase hadish nanilnish. Hadish means where at. Nanilnish means you're working, you. Now, people who are learning to speak Spanish know that this verb change is based on who is doing the action. So if I'm working, I'll say nashnish. I am working. If I'm saying you're working, it's nanilnish. If I'm saying he or she is working, it's nalnish. Nalnish. So it changes based on who is doing the action. So for the dialogue here, when I ask my brother, where do you work? He's going to respond with, I'm working at the school. School is oltkab. And de means at that place. At that place. So I'm going to ask him, hadish nanilnish.
Oltgat dinashnish.
Okay. My cousin here, Leanne, she works over at the store. So for store, it's kin. So she's going to respond similarly. Hadish nanilnish.
Kinde nashnish.
Perfect. And again, she is our confidence booster. So
I can do it, you can do it.
Exactly. So in this next dialogue set, we're going to be asking about the third person. We're going to be asking about another person not involved. So in this response, we're going to be using. I'm going to be asking about Leanne's mom, and I'm going to be asking about our dad. Now we're not going to get into the details in this. Again, if you want details, get enrolled in a Navajo language class. Purchase a book, but we're just going to be giving you the sounds and showing you generally how this sounds. So we'll start with my brother here. So you're going to respond with, he works at the school, and you're going to say she works at the store. Okay?
Okay.
Even though that's not entirely true, but we're going to just say that for these examples.
Okay.
So, Travis. Nihije hadish navnish.
Shije Oltgat dinashnish.
Perfect. Leanne. Nama hadish navnish.
Shema de nashnish.
Kinde
Oh.
navnish.
Shema kinde nashnish.
Nalnish.
Perfect. So next up, you're going to see a couple of screens that show you different locations that a person can work and different occupations. Oltagi.
At the school.
Aze al-igi.
At the clinic.
Or hospital. Kingi.
At the store.
Beso bahowan.
Bank.
Oltagi.
At the school.
Aze al-igi.
At the clinic.
Kingi.
At the store.
Beso bahowan.
Bank.
Baol tchae.
Teacher.
Is it ich inne?
Doctor.
Is it ni kahe?
Nurse.
Salau.
Police officer.
Salau tsoe.
Soldier.
Baol tchae.
Teacher.
Is it ich inne?
Doctor.
Is it ni kahe?
Nurse.
Salau.
Police officer.
Salau tsoe.
Soldier.
Okay, so I hope you're learning more of these phrases and learning more of how to put these together. And again, we don't give you all the details. There's too much to go over in such a short time. But again, this is just to kind of introduce these concepts and to get you familiar with hearing these phrases. And if you have any questions, you can purchase a book that goes into more detail. And thank you for watching. And hagone.
Many thanks.